Antiques, Third Street Antiques in Puyallup, Washington. Today I just wanted to show you what I picked up at an estate sale. It is a nasty looking fan, isn't it? Oh God, that looks terrible. But I just wanted to turn the camera on and tell you not to be intimidated by something like this. You know, I threw $5 at it. Doesn't work, I throw it in the garbage. But if it works, I might be able to clean it up and it might be a nice looking piece once I'm done with it. Let's plug it in and see if it works. Stand back, everybody. Oh, there you go. Okay. Sounds like it just needs a little work. All right, I'm gonna give it a clean up and we'll see what happens. All right, you saw what I did there. I'm going to introduce you to some of the products I used. To clean out the motor, I used this electronics cleaner. To get all that gunky dirt off, I used the Goof Off. And then after that, I hit it with a little vinegar and water. That's the one thing I can't live without is vinegar and water. And then I used this 3-in-1 oil. Nice light oil. Now the big dilemma is, do I paint this or do I leave it all pitted? I would paint it, of course, right away, except that I'm worried that the paint's going to get in these slots and then it won't work anymore. It works great now. But as you can see, I've already taped up the cord and I feel that go big or go home. One thing I want to say about cleaning is you find things. I know I always, when I'm cleaning glass, I might find a little chip or something. This time I found just the slightest little nick in the cord. So I put some tape on it. It's fine, there's nothing. All right, here we go. I put some paint on there. What do you think? Looks okay, doesn't it? All right, we're gonna plug this in first. And if it doesn't run, we're gonna throw it in the garbage and you will probably never see this again. You would probably never see this film. Here, let me just plug it in. Oh, running like a top. Okay. Let's get this thing put together.